10 surprising benefits of Moringa leaf tea you didn't know about. Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk Moringa. This stuff is everywhere, and for good reason. Moringa leaf tea, made from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, has really exploded in popularity lately, and you're about to find out why. We're talking about a serious superfood here, guys. I mean, this tea is packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all the good stuff your body craves. So if you're looking for a natural way to give your health a boost, you might just want to stick around for this one. We're kicking things off with a strong immune system. That's because Moringa leaf tea is loaded with vitamins C and E, not to mention zinc. These are some of your immune system's best friends, guys. They help your body fight off infections and stay healthy. Next up, antioxidants. These are like little superheroes that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. And Moringa leaf tea, it's got them in spades. We're talking about quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and more. Want a brain boost? Moringa's got your back. This tea has compounds that can actually improve your memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. So if you're feeling a little foggy, Moringa leaf tea might be just what the doctor ordered. Chapter 4. Improves digestion. Let's talk digestion, something I know a lot of you struggle with. Moringa leaf tea can help with that too. It's got fiber, of course, but it also has compounds that can help soothe the gut and promote healthy digestion. Chapter 5. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of so many health problems, but Moringa leaf tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help. We're talking about reducing chronic inflammation throughout your body. Chapter 6. Supports heart health. Your heart will thank you for drinking Moringa leaf tea. It can help lower bad cholesterol levels, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Plus, it's full of antioxidants that protect your heart from damage. Trying to manage your weight. Moringa leaf tea can be a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. It can boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat more effectively. Want that healthy glow? Moringa leaf tea is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are amazing for your skin. They can help protect your skin from damage, reduce wrinkles, and give you a more youthful appearance. For those of you watching your blood sugar, Moringa leaf tea can be really helpful. It can actually help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes. Last but not least, Moringa leaf tea is a natural detoxifier. It can help your body get rid of harmful toxins and waste products. This can lead to increased energy levels, better digestion, and overall improved health. So there you have it, guys. 10 surprising benefits of Moringa leaf tea. This stuff is truly a nutritional powerhouse. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your health, I highly recommend giving Moringa leaf tea a try. You can find it online or at most health food stores. Start incorporating it into your daily routine and see the difference it can make. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more health tips like this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can learn about the amazing benefits of Moringa leaf tea too. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.